Repair Shop HQ has taken over Level 1 of the Sands Expo and showcases everything related to service and repair. On this level, here's what you'll find: the tool and equipment section, diagnostics, telematics, mobile heat transfer, heating and AC section, Joe's Garage, 3 training theaters, alternative fuel, and the tire section. The theaters will facilitate under-hood, technician, and shop owner training. Training will also cover everything from ADAS and diagnostics to leadership and customer service. Shop owner coach founder Vic Tarasic said you can expect to gain a deeper understanding of ADAS from theory to what tools are on the market to repair and how to calibrate the system.
There's a lot of technologies that are creeping up, and there's one particular, which is ADAS, which is about to come on and hit our industry head on. There's questions that can be answered while you're there. If you've got your 40 hours of training for the year, by the end of the year, this is just a bonus.
Here's a look at other topics that will be featured in training sessions at AAPEX 2020. Expect to learn even more about ADAS in Joe's Garage. The garage is also located in Repair Shop HQ.
So when someone shows up at Joe's Garage, they're going to see 6 bays, live vehicles. So there'll be the trainer up there showing these guys in a hands-on fashion. Instead of a textbook classroom style setting, it'll be a classroom with a live running vehicle.
In terms of ADAS, attendees will have the opportunity to speak directly with Bosch. The company will demonstrate a complete ADAS calibration in the bay during the duration of the show. In addition, visit Napa in Joe's Garage and make connections with other exhibitors.
They're going to be building out one of these bays like an auto care center. They're going to be featuring some hybrid technology. They're going to have anything that's all related to Napa. Techmetric's going to be there. Broadly is going to be there. We'll also have payment solution. Text to pay is one of the newest ones that's coming on. And their 360 payments is going to be there also.
As you can see, there are plenty of opportunities to learn and grow at AAPEX. For more information on training at this year's show, head to apexshow.com and click on Attendee.